The BJP-led NDA has named Maharashtra Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan as its nominee for the vice presidential election. Radhakrishnan is a former president of the party's Tamil Nadu unit and RSS veteran. Former Supreme Court Judge B. Sudershan Reddy is the India blocs candidate for the vice presidential election to be held on September 9, announced Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge on Tuesday, August 19. The announcement comes after deliberate efforts by the India bloc to field a common candidate. All India bloc parties has decided to have a common candidate. The decision has been taken unanimously. I am happy that all opposition parties have agreed to one name. It is a big achievement for democracy, Kharge said. The vice presidential election, which became necessary following the resignation of Jagdeep Dhankhar last month, will be held on September 9. The last date for filing nominations has been set for August 22. B. Sudershan Reddy, born July 8, 1946, served as a judge of the Supreme Court of India and was the first Lokayukta of Goa. After completing his BA in LL.B., he enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh on December 27, 1971. He built his practice in writ and civil matters at the Andhra Pradesh High Court, later serving as government pleader between 1988 and 1990, and briefly as additional standing counsel for the central government. He also worked as legal advisor and standing counsel for Osmania University. Reddy was appointed a permanent judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court on May 2, 1995, and went on to become Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court on December 5, 2005. He was elevated to the Supreme Court of India on January 12, 2007, where he served until his retirement on July 8, 2011. Reddy had earlier chaired the Independent Expert Working Group IEWG set up by the Telangana government after the caste census to frame strategies for OBC welfare and upliftment. The committee, under his leadership, submitted a detailed 300-page report, endorsing the methodology of the Congress government's socio-economic, education, employment, political and caste-seek survey as scientific, authentic, and reliable. The report further noted that the exercise could serve as a model for the entire country. The opposition's choice of Justice B. Sudershan Reddy as its vice presidential candidate has placed both the TDP and YSRCP in a delicate position, given his roots in Andhra Pradesh. However, Jagan Mohan Reddy-led Yuvajana Shramika Rithu Congress Party YSRCP and Telugu Desam Party TDP had already announced to support National Democratic Alliance's NDA vice presidential candidate C.P. Radhakrishnan. The National Democratic Alliance NDA has picked Chandrapuram Panusamy Radhakrishnan, known as C.P. Radhakrishnan, as its candidate for the upcoming vice presidential elections in India. The announcement was made by Bharatiya Janata Party BJP National President J.P. Nadda in a press conference on Sunday. With Tamil Nadu's next assembly elections scheduled for 2026, Radhakrishnan's elevation to the national stage may influence the BJP's strategy in the state. His candidacy signals to the Tamil electorate that the national leadership values its southern leaders, potentially energizing the BJP's organizational efforts in a state where the party is keen to expand its footprint. From leading the BJP in Tamil Nadu to governing Maharashtra and now poised for one of the highest constitutional offices in India, C.P. Radhakrishnan's journey is emblematic of a steady rise through dedication, resilience, and years of long-standing political service. All eyes will now be on how his candidature shapes both national politics and Tamil Nadu's pre-election atmosphere. Also read who is B. Sudershan Reddy, India Bloc's candidate for vice presidential post. Also read NDA's VP pick CP Radhakrish puts India Bloc in a fix will op.